Hello YouTubers, this is 286man. Today I'm going to install MS-DOS 6.22 on this machine, which is a 486 at 50 MHz IBM compatible. I have replaced the hard drive with a 512 MB IDE Flash Module because the old hard drive went bad. I have original copies of MS-DOS 6.22 on diskettes with a manual. However, I'm not going to use them because the diskettes have developed bad sectors over time. Instead, I'm going to use fully legitimate copies of MS-DOS 6.22 which were downloaded as free step-up files from the Microsoft website years ago. Now the installation is starting from a diskette. Because this is an upgrade setup, it asks for a functioning copy of MS-DOS on the hard drive. Diskette 1 of the setup is unpacking the files. The files contained on this diskette are the main drivers and basic operating programs included in the MS-DOS 6.22. They are being copied to the C/DOS directory. You won't hear any noise from the hard drive because, as I've said already, it has been replaced by an IDE Flash Module, which is flash storage. Now it is asking for the second diskette of the setup. As the setup progresses, we see in the lower right corner the name of the file, which is being unpacked and copied to the disk drive, the IDE Flash Module right now. On the top we see information about the various features MS-DOS 6.22 offers. I have not cut the video in order for you to see how long the MS-DOS 6.22 installation process takes if we do not have a hard drive, which would be the bottleneck to make it even longer. So this process is the minimum length possible if using a real diskette set. Unpacking the programs for the memory, now the substitution of the dry letters. And now it asks for the third diskette. And with this third diskette we will be ready to go, because the supplemental tools on the fourth diskette are not usually installed if you do not opt to install them. You may still install the supplemental tools manually when this installation finishes. The setup for MS-DOS 6.22 featured also some programs for Windows 3.11, such as Undelete or Antivirus. They are being installed as default, however in pure DOS you will not be able to use them. Installation is ready. And we're ready to go. MS-DOS is starting from the IDE Flash Module. I've edited the startup files so that we will have enough conventional memory to run programs and games. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more next time.